Okay, so now that we've seen what it can do, let's go ahead and extend it and extend its capabilities. We're not going to create new capabilities, but we're going to see what the capabilities can produce. So here we have a scene, and we have a red circle that eats these green things and gets 10 points every time it does so. So I can move it around with the arrow keys. You see I have 0 points, and now I have 10, and now I have 20, and so on. I can reset my circle and or my points. So, okay, so let's end this on about 50 points. I'm feeling lucky. Okay. So we started up again. As we see, we still have 50 points. Now there's something peculiar happening here. The data is being saved as an integer. And the data is being loaded back as a string. This is special functionality I've implemented just to produce this type of functionality in the software. So normally we would have a point system like this, and if I was to run this, it will surely update the field, but remember it's an integer. So all we will get is integer values out of that. So now that we know it's a string, and we know it's coming in and out as a string, if you know C#'s string format, you can use the first index to specify what you want to be marked as an index, and it would use the entire contents of the text field indexing what you request. And that's how we get the effect of the points being replaced and using the entire word also. Let's take a quick look and see how this is all done by the components. So again, we have a persistent reference that's named circle sprite, and we can take a look at that here. And here's our circle sprite. We have it in XML format here. Cool, interesting. Take a look. So this is, I thought that was XML I opened up. Hang on. Oh, that's CSV. My apologies. So here's a CSV representation. So that's the data, and it's being saved, in this case, in binary and CSV. I guess that was some previous data we loaded up there. And we're loading back in binary on start. So whenever the points change, then we have the text persistent notification that's listening for that. And of course, like I said before, it is an integer. So here's your dynamic int. But if you select the string, a text, we do some work in the background to have that translated into text form for you, so you can represent booleans and other data types that way. Cool. So that's how you can use persistent save data to load and save data without writing any code and have it presented in the format you want.